Okay, so three of the most common types of graphic relationships that you're going to get in the chemistry lab are direct, inverse, and exponential. So take a look at each of these three graphs. So we've tabulated our data that we've collected, we've drawn the graph, we've given it the best fit line, connected the plots, and so forth, and we get these graphs. So now what? Well, these graphs are going to tell us the relationship between the two variables. When you get a nice straight line here, you have a direct relationship. So what that means here is that means that as y and x increase, they're going to increase with a proportion. All right, there's some proportion, and that proportion is k, which is called a constant. All right, so this means that it is going to, as y increases, x is going to increase with a constant number. So it may be by 2, by 4s, by 9s, so forth. All right, so it is a direct relationship. Notice that there is a k, a constant. That k is always going to stand for constant in chemistry. That k is there in all of the equations. So there's always some constant that is always in our relationships. All right, the next one is called an inverse relationship. And our inverse relationship here shows that as x increases, y is going to decrease by a given proportion. Okay, and then finally, we have our exponential. Here, our x is going to increase, but our y is going to increase more quickly. We're going to see this one come up when we look at the atom inside the nucleus. When you look at half-lives and radioactive decay, you're going to see that things are going to speed up more quickly as we go along the graph.